Hi, my name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend with an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G version. And thank God for that. That is the 5G version because that means that it comes with Snapdragon processor, not the Exynos one. I'm just thinking about the FE20, you know, bad memories. If you don't know it, then click the video up here. I'm doing this video partly to promote two upcoming videos of this phone because you've requested a comparison of this phone to two other phones, okay? What phones those two are, you will find out at the end of this unboxing video. Now let's do this. First off, let's just take a look at the box. I got this kindly from Samsung. I don't know if you can just make out, yeah, you can actually make out all the small reflections of icons that is on the box. This is pretty cool, and it's actually exactly the same on this old box, the S20 FE 5G box. Can you just make these two out? So that's kind of a theme that's going through. That's pretty cool. And of course, this may be one of the comparisons I will do. Surprise, surprise, surprise. I got this one, the S21 FE, kindly from Samsung, so I can indeed show you the serial numbers just for once. You can see it's 128 gigabytes of storage and 6 gigabytes of RAM graphite. And what did the old one have? And the old one didn't care to say what it had. So that's what you see from outside of the box. Without further ado, let's do this. In that regard, I have to say I'm not obliged to say anything positive or negative about this phone. It's just my own impressions, as I've just stated in the intro. Nothing in the lid. So what else? Let's just take a look at the box first. You get, what is this? This is just the leaflet box, I should suspect. Yeah, also, let's just get it all out there. Warranty card, a little tiny leaflet, quick start guide. So here you have USB-C to USB-C. This is also okay, but if you want to cheap out and if you want to save cost, why you include the USB-C to USB-C cord anyhow? This is like, you can buy this for like $5 or something in any store, so why you even want to include that? Samsung cheaping out so far. This is not impressing me. This is just me reacting to what I see. So they're gonna get the glatte lag, as you would say in Danish. That's mean I'm not gonna be gentle on them, but also I'm not gonna be overly hard. Let's just peel this graphite black. Ooh, suave. And always when you unbox stuff, do yourself a favor and check if your equipment is in perfect nick. Otherwise, you should return it immediately. I'm just gonna check the sides also. I can see there's still some old Samsung funniness going on here on the sides with this plastic on the sides. I have never understood why it has to be there. It is annoying and irritating. Can you see it? Plastic, you gotta get it off. And there's always a lot of it, so it's always like when you think you got rid of all of it, there's even more. It is always like this. Thank you very much, Samsung. So now we've gotten rid of all the plastic on the sides of this phone. So let's just check what you get on the sides. You got this mic, and you got another mic down here right beside the SIM card holder. You got USB-C, and you got a loudspeaker. My guess is that you will get another loudspeaker right up here at the top, if I know Samsung correctly. You can just about make it up, but it's gonna sit all the way up here. And then you have this triple camera layout on the back, as well as a flash. I must say, this color must take the price as what the most boring color scheme we could ever come up with. It's okay sounding to me. It's got some texture to it. Let's just compare it with the Samsung S20 FE. It is the same, I would say. But as you can see, this would easily take the prize for the most stylish phone, in my opinion, with a more dedicated camera cutout. I don't know. What this actually, doesn't it look like the sort of fisheye camera cutout? I don't know what you want to call that. But let's try and boot this. Well, you can have a look at the S20 FE. You can just see here actually by comparison that the S20 FE is a bit taller. So the screen has definitely shrunken from that generation to this newer generation. Also, this one should come with a Snapdragon version, and this is also with a Snapdragon version because it's the 5G version, but let's see about that. That also came with an Exynos version, and that is rumored to also come in an Exynos version. I pray to God this is not the Exynos version, then I will be mad at Samsung. This is not, I know I'm not sounding so positive. Okay, so I'm gonna set the phone up now, and that's about what I'm gonna say about this phone. Other than I will be doing a comparison with this phone, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, because it's been requested, so I will do this. This comparison will be coming up. You can see a clear and obvious difference right out the bat, and that is the difference in size. My guess is that it will fall short to almost all points to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, because this is a monster of a phone. But let's see how it all goes and how it fares in the upcoming comparison with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and perhaps also the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G version. My name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and I'll see you in the next one.